Okay, so for this sprint, I'm going to be taking a look at kind of the programming of some of the enemy behavior for the game. So right now I have two enemies in here so far. This first one here that's in the air is the glider. Right now it's just kind of the stationary flying object. Every few seconds it'll fire a bomb towards the player's current position. We can go ahead and shoot it down. And then the other class is the roamer, which are the ground tanks. If we get close enough, they will actually start to track our position and also shoot their bullets towards us. And if we do back away out of their position eventually, they will go ahead and return to their normal behavior of simply rotating. So they actually do start to face us once we get close enough. So basically looking at the code, for the roamer, those ground tanks, they will start in the rotate right for their FSM, but if they actually get close enough to the player, getting the distance between it and the player's position, we'll start tracking the player, basically set an alarm for the firing of the bullet, and then when we actually change to our track player state, basically we'll calculate the angle between the tank's forward vector and the vector between its position and the player's position, so that the tank can figure out how much it needs to rotate to actually face the player. And then the glider, again, right now, just pretty straightforward. The FSM isn't currently implemented, but every few seconds it'll just go ahead and fire an enemy bomb that will be fired towards the current player's position, which is held in the player controller. And then for the hero tank as well, for our player, we do have a HUD element that is implemented, so that we do have a small HUD implemented, basically kind of to sort of visualize the target of where we would be angling our shots for our bullet as well.